My easy vegetable orzo soup is like a hug in a bowl, so easy and simple, and everyone loves it. Start by sauteing the onion, then add the garlic, followed by carrots and bell pepper. Give it a good stir. Next, add the tomato paste, followed by the spices. You have cumin, oregano, turmeric, paprika, and salt. Add the broth. You can use chicken broth or vegetable broth. Whatever you have on hand would work just fine. Once the vegetables are cooked, add the orzo and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then add your greens. I added chopped spinach. You can also do kale. Finish with some fresh lemon juice for bright flavors, and that's it. So easy and simple, just like a hug in a bowl. Give it a try and enjoy. You can have the most delicious salmon rice bowl at home in less than 30 minutes, and the flavors are phenomenal. First of all, prepare the rice. To do so, mix rice, olive oil, dill weed, some salt, pepper, and water in a saucepan and let that cook until the water is fully absorbed and the rice is cooked completely and is fluffy. Then mix the salmon bites with some olive oil, salt, and spices and sear them for about 2 or 3 minutes on each side until they are golden brown on the outside and tender and flaky on the inside. Now, while these are cooking, make the salad. You've got cucumber, tomatoes, sumac, some olive oil, salt, and lemon juice, and that's it. Now just assemble. You have the most perfect salmon dinner in about 30 minutes and it's so delicious. Give this a try and make sure to follow. The viral Turkish pasta is basically yalancı mantı. Make it my way and you're going to have it every single week. It's so delicious. For the spices, we have Aleppo pepper, cumin, salt, and pepper. Add some water because we like it saucy. That butter, that's what we love. That's what we're gonna make. It's butter, olive oil, paprika, Aleppo pepper, and dried mint. Don't forget to add garlic to your yogurt sauce. Make your pasta. And now for the layering. I like the meat sauce before the yogurt because I don't like cold yogurt on my pasta. And I like that meat sauce to go into every piece of that pasta, making it so delicious. And that's it. Easy and simple. This is so good. Definitely give it a try. And as always, enjoy. If you're looking for a healthier meatball recipe, you have to try my Greek-style chicken meatball. Mix ground chicken, onion, egg, oregano, parsley, garlic, lemon zest, salt, and breadcrumbs, and let it sit in the fridge for 30 minutes. Then shape into meatballs and sear in the pan, or you can also bake them or air fry them. You can also freeze the uncooked meatballs and then cook them later once you're ready. This is so easy to make. It would take about 10 to 15 minutes for the meatballs to be ready. You can serve them with rice, salad, some hummus, some tzatziki. It would make the perfect dinner. It's so easy to make. I bet you're gonna love it. Give it a try, and as always, enjoy. Chicken cacciatore is a must-try. It's made with chicken stewed in this delicious, rich tomato sauce. I used bone-in skinless chicken thighs, but you can use any part of chicken that you like. I've also seen some just cutting up a whole chicken and using all parts, and I think that's absolutely delicious. Brown the chicken on both sides, set it aside. Now saute some onion in the same pan. Add the garlic, peppers, mushrooms. You can also add olives if you like. Give it a good stir, and then add in the red wine to deglaze. Once the red wine is deglazed, add the whole tomatoes and add the chicken back. Cover and let it cook for about an hour to hour and a half until the chicken is tender and fall off the bone. Top with some basil and parsley. Give this a try and make sure to follow.